To maximize the storage space you have available in your garage or your basement, you may look overhead.
In this case, Danny, I'm trying to find storage space for some long pipe clamps and bar clamps. Now, I could use, if you have smaller clamps, you could just drive some nails into a beam the way I did here, but in this case, the clamps are too long. So what I did is I took some floor flanges, some iron floor flanges, and I screwed it to the beam, and I slipped the shim underneath just to tip it back. Now this idea, in this case, I'm using it in a workshop in a basement, so I used it on this beam, but you can also install this on the wall of a garage or any other workshop.
Okay.
Then I took this is a 12-inch long pipe. They come in various lengths. I just screw it right into the flange, and then to protect the end threads, I have this little cap nut. I installed the first one, as you can see over there earlier. I'll show you how well this works. Hand me those clamps, please.
All right, there you go.
There's some 4-foot-long bar clamps and some pipe clamps.
Oh, these are heavy here.
Yeah, and you can see that. First, they'll hold a lot of weight, but also it leaves the clamps really accessible and completely out of the way.
Yeah, these things are really strong, and the way you have them tilted up, it'll keep it from falling down on your
Sliding
head.
off.
But, I mean, in a garage or something, you could use these for, like, skis after winter.
Skis, fishing poles, right? I've stored patio umbrellas, fold them up for the season, and like you said, you can do it in a garage or workshop or in a basement like this.